Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with Suddenlink easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your service with Suddenlink, begin by gathering your account information. Locate your account number and any personal identification details you may need. Next, decide whether you want to cancel online or by phone. If you choose to cancel online, visit the Suddenlink website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the option to manage your services or plans. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm your cancellation request when prompted. If you prefer to cancel by phone, use your mobile device or landline to call Suddenlink customer service. Find the appropriate customer service number on their website. When connected, listen carefully to the menu options. Choose the option for service cancellations. Provide your account information to the representative when prompted. Request to cancel your service and follow any instructions provided. Keep track of any confirmation numbers or emails regarding your cancellation. Lastly, return any equipment you have from Suddenlink to avoid additional charges. That's how you cancel your service with Suddenlink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.